Basil essential oil uses Basil essential oil, also called sweet basil essential oil, is derived from the leaves of the Ocimum basilicum botanical, better known as the basil herb. Do you feel tired, strained, weary, exhausted, overwhelmed? If you are, basil essential oil is for you. Fatigue. Basil oil is also known as the oil of renewal. It has the ability to relax the mind and alleviate fatigue, stress and low energy levels. Its scent can help nervousness and anxiety. Putting a few drops of basil on the bottom of your feet before bed will help you sleep. It is relaxing, and will calm your entire body down. With basil essential oil, you'll sleep more deeply and feel like you got a restful night's sleep, regardless of how many hours of sleep you actually got. Anti-inflammatory. Sweet basil essential oil's anti-inflammatory effect is said to ease minor skin irritations, such as acne or eczema, and to soothe sores as well as minor abrasions. Also cramps, joint pain, muscular aches, spasms, gout, flatulence, and exhaustion. Enhances immune function, protects against infection, reduces water retention, and stabilizes irregular menstruation. Hair repair. Sweet basil essential oil cleanses, refreshes, hydrates, softens, and strengthens the hair strands. It is known for contributing a light and refreshing scent to any regular shampoo or conditioner, as well as for stimulating circulation, regulating the scalp's oil production, and facilitating healthy hair growth to reduce or slow the rate of hair loss. For the skin. Sweet basil essential oil can nourish, repair, balance, calm, smooth, exfoliate, and brighten the complexion. Aromatherapy. When used in aromatherapy, sweet basil essential oil can stimulate, clarify, calm, fortify, energize and uplift the mind. It is also said to repel insects, eliminate odor-causing bacteria, soothe headaches, and relieve respiratory as well as digestive discomforts. Its fragrance is reputed to blend well with citrusy, spicy, or floral essential oils, such as bergamot, grapefruit, lemon, black pepper, ginger, fennel, geranium, lavender, and neroli. In aromatherapy, inhaling the aroma of basil essential oil or absorbing basil essential oil through the skin is thought to transmit messages to a brain region involved in controlling emotions. Known as the limbic system, this brain region also influences the nervous system. Helps prevent vomiting. Basil essential oil can be used to prevent vomiting, particularly when the source of the nausea is motion sickness, but also from other causes. Helps to relieve a cold. Basil essential oil is effective in providing relief from colds, influenza, and associated fevers, due to its antispasmodic nature. It is frequently used to reduce the symptoms of whooping cough. Can alleviate asthma symptoms. Basil essential oil not only relieves coughs, but it can also be used to alleviate the symptoms of asthma, bronchitis, and sinus infections. Helps with itching. Basil essential oil is also a good option for reducing itching from bites and stings from honeybees, insects, and even snakes. Pain relief. Basil essential oil is an analgesic and provides relief from pain. That is why this essential oil is often used in cases of arthritis, wounds, injuries, burns, bruises, scars, sports injuries, surgical recovery, sprains, and headaches. Antifungal and insect repellent. Basil essential oil inhibits the growth of a multitude of species of fungi and is also effective against insects. This oil is also less toxic as compared to the commercially available fungicides. Improves digestion. Since basil oil has carminative properties, it is used for relief from indigestion, constipation, stomach cramps, and flatulence. It provides immediate relief from the gas in your stomach and intestines. It also has colic qualities and is therefore used to alleviate bowel pain. How to use it. When combined with a carrier oil such as jojoba, sweet almond, or avocado, basil essential oil can be applied directly to the skin or added to baths. Basil essential oil blends well with bergamot, clary sage, clovebud, geranium, lime, lemon, hyssop, juniper, eucalyptus, neroli, marjoram, rosemary, melissa, and lavender. Basil essential oil also can be inhaled after sprinkling a few drops of the oil onto a cloth or tissue or through use of an aromatherapy diffuser or vaporizer. Basil essential oil should not be taken internally without the supervision of a health professional. Internal use of basil essential oil may have toxic effects. Basil essential oil and basil in any other form should be avoided by pregnant, breastfeeding, or nursing women. It can have an impact on hormonal levels, muscle condition, or nerve functioning.